Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel an event in Google Calendar. So here I'm going to just go straight to my Google Calendar. Okay, I'm going to use the monthly view. You can see now on tomorrow there will be an event on my calendar, and to cancel or delete the event you can just click on the event in here, the event, click on that and the event page will be show. And to cancel you can just click on the three dots icon at the top right corner, then click on delete, and after that delete this event, click on delete again, and that's it. The event will be cancelled or deleted from your Google Calendar. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.